Hi Alan, it's Zurab here at Boss Motors. I'm taking this video especially for you of this 2017 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Limited. It has 9,000 miles on it. Here's the price. The bike is in excellent condition. Has nice LEDs in the front. All black, 107 new engine. It's switched to kilometers, so this is 15,300 kilometers. Of course, it has a GPS navigation, great sound system on it. Yeah, day makers are just super bright. Tire condition, as you see, it's perfect. Yeah, the back has new LED lights on it. There you go. Oh, bike is clean and nice. So I'm gonna send you this video, and then we can discuss all the options. It has the heated grips as well, which is really nice. GPS. So if you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and again, I'll be very happy to assist you. This is a battery charger lead, a heat shield, hill shifter, as you see. So it's all ready to go. Thank you.